Hello dear students, welcome back to the last session of chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. In this session we will learn about 3D shapes. Three-dimensional shapes are called 3D shapes. Here are a few shapes you see in your day-to-day life. Each shape is a solid. It's not a flat shape. The ball is sphere. Ice cream is in the form of cone. This can is a cylinder. The box is a cuboid. The playing die is a cube. And here is a shape of pyramid. Find out the other examples like this. In our interactive session, I am going to ask you, give me the example of sphere, cone, cylinder, cuboid, cube or pyramid. So be ready with your answers. Now let us learn about faces, edges and vertices. In case of many three-dimensional shapes, means 3D shapes, we can distinctly identify their faces, edges and vertices. What do we mean by these terms? Face, edge and vertex. Vertices is the full form of plural form of vertex. Let's understand it through an example of a cube. Here you can see face of a cube, edge and vertex. Each side of a cube is a flat surface. It's called a face. Two faces meet at a line segment. This one is the line segment called an edge. And three edges meet at a point called vertex. You can see 1, 2 and 3. Three edges meet at a point called vertex. Got the idea of face, edge and vertex? Now let's learn about more 3D shapes. Which shape is this? Here is a diagram of prism. One of its face is a triangle, so it's called a triangular prism. And the triangular face is also known as its base. A prism has two identical bases and the other faces are rectangle. You can see two triangle bases, one this side and another this side, and other faces are rectangle. Here we have a diagram of pyramid. A pyramid is a shape with a single base and the other faces are triangle. It has one single base here and other faces are triangle. Here is a square pyramid, so its base is a square. Can you imagine a pyramid, triangular pyramid? Try to draw a triangular pyramid. After pyramid, let's learn about some other shapes. The cylinder, the cone and the sphere have no straight edges. What is the base of a cone? Circle. Yes? Cylinder has two bases, one here and another here. They are circle. A sphere has no flat face. Can you see any flat face in sphere? No. A sphere has no flat face. Here is one activity on page number 110 of your textbook. After learning about 3D shapes, fill in the blanks. Fill all the blanks. First one is done for you. A cuboid looks like a rectangular box. It has 6 faces. Look, let's count the number of faces. 1, 2, नीचे वाला 3, ये side वाला 4, here 5 and this side 6. Each face has 4 edges. Each face has 4 edges. And each face has 4 corners called vertices. Here you can see 4 corners. Next is cuboid. A cube is a cuboid whose edges are of all of equal length. It has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 faces. Each face has how many edges? 4. Each face has how many vertices? 4. 4 edges are there and 4 vertices are there. In this way, you can fill the blanks for triangular pyramid, square pyramid and triangular prism. Solve it in textbook only. After solving that activity of page number 110, solve exercise 5.9. In question 1, you have to match the diagrams with its name: cone, sphere, cylinder, cuboid and pyramid. And you have to give 2 new examples of each shape. So you can write the examples here. And in question 2, what shape is your instrument box? Is it a cube or cuboid? Matchbox, sweet laddu, a brick or a road roller? See these things or imagine these things and tell what shape is this thing. Very easy. Solve this exercise by yourself. I hope you all have seen all the parts 1 to 9, and understood all the elementary shapes. Understanding elementary shapes is a chapter of basic geometry. Go through all the parts and learn it well. Good luck.